Hi guys, it's Tuesday, September 8th. I hope that you had a really good Labor Day weekend. I know that I did. It's nice to take a little bit of a break from all of the schoolwork that we have to do. So I wanted to talk to you about what we're going to be doing today. So the first thing is we're going to be doing a common assessment for language arts. So this is a little quiz. It has 4 questions in it. 3 of them are multiple choice and 1 of them is a written response. This is something that the entire grade does. All of the 5th grade students and all of the 6th grade students do this at Sunnyside. And it's for us to be able to make sure that you are right on track with where you're supposed to be and that you're learning what you're supposed to be learning, okay? So the common assessments are in Edgelastic, EDULASTIC, Edgelastic, which is in Clever. So on your iPad, if you go to the Clever app, it's blue and it's got a C on it, you can go in and first you need to log in. So it'll say Lafayette School Corporation and you'll see 2 different ways to log in. And I'm over here looking at my computer so I can tell you both the ways to log in. The first one says log in with Active Directory. If you use that way, you have to put your full email address and your password. Okay, so that's one way. The next way underneath says log in with LDAP. If you choose that way, you just have to put your username and your password. Either way will work, okay? So once you log in, you're going to see a list of assignments that you can choose from. So for 5th grade, you'll see one that says HUME, H-U-M, HUME 5, and for 6th grade, you'll see one that says HUME 6. And you'll have an assignment that you're just going to be able to start the assignment, okay? So for HUME 5, the assignment is kind of a weird name. It's not, you don't have to worry about what the name is, but it's 2025 RL 2.3, no passage, character, setting, events, number 1. That sounds weird. All of those letters and numbers, that's the standard that you're trying to learn about. So it's character and setting, which is a state standard that we're trying to make sure that you guys have learned about, okay? That's just the way that it's titled. No big deal. Those letters and numbers mean nothing to you guys, okay? Same thing for 6th grade. It's 6.RN.2.1. Again, all that means nothing to you guys. Don't worry about that. That's for me to understand. No passage, cite evidence, number 1. So you're going to choose those and you're going to take the little quiz, assessment, they call it, or assignment, and it shouldn't take you very long to take those, okay? It's 3 multiple choice questions, 1 written response. The written response only needs to be about a paragraph, which is 4 to 6 complete detailed sentences, okay? So just make sure you're following directions and doing the very best you can, okay? So because it's our first time doing this, I'm giving a little extra time to do those assignments. So then we only have 1 other assignment on Monday, which is to read from our class novel. Or excuse me, on Tuesday, which is to read from our class novel. So for 5th grade, you guys are going to read Matilda. You're going to read page 90 all the way to page 158. And I know that seems like a lot of pages, but it's just where a lot of action takes place, and I didn't want to stop you anywhere in that range, okay? So, break it up throughout the day if you need to, or you might even do a little bit of it the next day on Wednesday before you start the assignment on Wednesday, okay? So, for Matilda, you're reading pages 90 through 158, and for Gathering Blue, you guys are reading chapters 7, 8, and 9. So 3 chapters today. So both groups are reading a little bit more than normal, but it's because this is where a lot of action takes place. And like I said, I didn't want to stop you in the middle of where a lot of things are happening, okay? I've also given the next Wordly Wise assignment, which is not going to be due until the 14th. So you guys have a week, a little less than a week, one day less because we're starting a day later since the holiday. So you can start working on Wordly Wise today if you want, but you have all the way until the 14th to work on it. Now, I do not pace you on this. I paced you on the last one where I gave you a certain amount each time. You decide how much to work on. You can work on A one day, then B, then C, then E. You can do it all in one night, however you want, okay? This is for you to decide what to do, okay? I don't suggest doing it all in one night, but you have to pick what works best for you, okay? So that is also posted for you to get started on, and you can choose how you want to work on that, okay? So please make sure you get the reading done because you will have an assignment tomorrow on the reading assignments that we've had up until this point, okay? And like I said, if you need to save a little bit of the reading until tomorrow because you don't quite get it finished before you do the assignment, that's fine, but not too much because you do have an assignment tomorrow for the reading, okay? You guys have a great day.